Hello students, good morning. Welcome back to our online class with Best English School. I hope you all are fit and fine and enjoying our online class. In today's class, we are going with English subject in standard 3rd. We are learning our chapter 4 in English. Last lecture, we read our story. Its name is A Little Fish Story. Today we will discuss the question answer of the story. So everyone, please take your textbook with you. So easily you can see all the question in your textbook. Let's start. First question is, how many fish are there in the sea? How many fish? So there are millions of fishes in the sea. आपको ये क्वेश्चन का आंसर कहाँ मिलेगा? नंबर 1 जो हमने लाइन रीड करी थी उसी में मिलेगा. How many? तो there are millions of fishes in the sea. Then why was the little fish unhappy? Answer is the little fish was unhappy. देखो हमने क्वेश्चन में से ही आंसर बनाया. The little fish, after it we will put helping verb, was unhappy because he was very small. Because he was very small. Third one is, what happened to the fish one day? What happened? The fish was caught in the mesh of a net. क्या हुआ था? वो जाली में फंस गई थी. So answer is the fish was caught in the mesh of a net. Caught, catch, caught. Past participle. Spelling is C-A-U-G-H-T and pronoun is caught. Number 4. Why was the fish thankful to be a little fish? The fish was thankful to be a little fish. This was only because of its small size. He was able to escape from the net. Small, S-M-A-L-L. स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक, यहाँ पे E दिया हुआ है, वहाँ पे क्या आएगा? A. Okay? So the fish was thankful to be a little fish because this was only its small size. He was able to escape from the net. उसकी स्मॉल साइज की वजह से ही वो क्या हुआ था? बाहर आने में एबल थी. Then imagine you are a little fish. Describe what you might see around you. So there is a blue water all around me. I am swimming with other fellow little fishes. आपको कल्पना करना है कि आप छोटी सी फिश हो तो आपके आसपास क्या दिखेगा? सो देयर इज़ अ ब्लू वाटर ऑल अराउंड मी. फिश जो होती है उसके आसपास ब्लू वाटर होता है और आसपास बहुत सारी फिशेस भी होती है. आई एम स्विमिंग विथ अदर फेलो लिटल फिशेस. लेट्स रीड अगेन. हाउ मैनी फिशेस आर देयर इन द सी? There are millions of fishes in the sea. Why was the little fish unhappy? The little fish was unhappy because he was very small. What happened to the fish one day? The fish was caught in the mesh of a net. Why was the fish thankful to be a little fish? The fish was thankful to be a little fish. This was only because of its small size. He was able to escape from the net. Imagine you are a little fish. Describe what you might see around you. Answer is there is a blue water all around me. I am swimming with other fellow little fish. Now Look at the pattern and fill the blanks. Cat caught. What you have to write? You have to write the past participle of the form. वर्ब फॉर्म का आपका कौन सा फॉर्म लिखना है? पास्ट पार्टिसिपल। पास्ट फॉर्म जो होता है ना वो लिखना है। कैच caught, swim swam, buy bought, contain contained, wish wished, see saw, teach taught, fight fought, catch caught, CAUGHT caught, swim SWIM swim, swam SWAM, buy BUY buy, bought BOUGHT bought, teach TEACH teach, taught TAUGHT taught, content CONTENT, तो हम पीछे क्या लगाएंगे? ED, CONTENTED, wish wished, see saw SAW saw, and fight fought FOUGHT. You have to learn all this spelling. Okay students? Now come to the number 7. Fill in the blanks with the right word from the box. A glass of water, a box of matches, a sheet of paper, a bunch of flowers, a herd of cows, a pack of wolves. ये हमने पहले भी सीखा था, आपको याद होगा। ग्लास किसका होता है? वाटर का होता है। बॉक्स माचिस का होता है। सीट किसकी होती है? पेपर की होती है। बंच फ्लावर का होता है। ओके, नाउ लुक एट द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंस। इफ आई वर ओनली लार्जर हाउ मच हैप्पियर आई कुड बी। मेक मोर सेंटेंस लाइक दिस यूजिंग वर्ड्स इन द बॉक्स। इफ आई वर ओनली टॉलर हाउ मच हैप्पियर आई कुड बी। देखो यहाँ पे आपको लार्जर दिया हुआ था, तो आपको ये बॉक्स में जो सेंटेंस वर्ड्स दिए हुए हैं उसको आपको सेंटेंस में यूज़ करना है। तो हम लार्जर की जगह पे क्या लिखेंगे? टॉलर। तो आंसर इज इफ आई वर ओनली टॉलर हाउ मच हैप्पियर आई कुड बी। देन इफ आई वर ओनली थिनर हाउ मच हैप्पियर I could be. Then if I were only smaller how much happier I could be. If I were only cleverer how much happier I could be. If I were only younger how much happier I could be. If I were only older how much happier I could be. आपने एक बात नोटिस की, ये किसका फॉर्म आया? ये जो हमने अंडरलाइन दिख रही है आपको वर्ड के नीचे, वो डिग्री के लिए है। हमने डिग्री सीखी थी, पॉजिटिव, कंपेरेटिव एंड सुपरलेटिव। तो ये कौन सी डिग्री आई? कंपेरेटिव। ER लगा हुआ है सबके पीछे, तो इस तरह से आपको ये करना है। देन से अलाउड, ब्लंडर BLUNDER, वंडर WONDER, थंडर THUNDER, प्लंडर PLUNDER and flounder FLOUNDER, flounder. Then choose the right word. Mahesh sings a little song. Venkatesh looks at him. लुक्स क्यों लिखा? क्योंकि वेंकटेश प्लूरल नहीं है, सिंगुलर है, तो हम वर्ब को कैसा करेंगे? प्लूरल। तो लुक्स में हमें एस दिया हुआ है, इसलिए हमने क्या लिखा? लुक्स। देन वेंकटेश थिंक्स महेश इज क्राइंग। महेश इज सिंगिंग अ सॉन्ग। सॉन्ग को कोई बोलता है या गाता है? गाता है, तो क्या लिखेंगे? सिंगिंग। And the song is in English. Okay. So this is our question answer of the story. I hope you understood it. So everyone, you have to write this all question answer in your notebook and textbook. Okay students, in next lecture we will go with the workbook. Okay, do your homework daily and please submit your test paper in school on Monday. And don't forget to subscribe our new channel Best English School Naroda Online. Okay, bye. Have a nice day.